So you have yourself a propane tank, and it feels like it might not be full. The best way to do this is to check the tare weight and use a scale. So this TW is a tare weight. 18 means 18 pounds. So the tank should weigh 18 pounds. If you're not sure how much liquid propane you have in here, take this, put it on a scale, subtract whatever number you get by 18, and that gives you how many pounds of liquid propane you have inside. So in my case, I have a tare weight of 18 pounds, which is the tank weight. On a scale, it's reading 25.2, so I have about 7 pounds in here. When this is full, I think it's around a 40 pounds or so. So just a quick little tip for your spring and summer cookouts.